Hello everyone, welcome. This is the last portion that we are going to discuss from Plant Kingdom of class 11 CBSE NCERT, which is plant life cycle and alterations of generations. So there are three types of life cycle or three types of plants which is there, which have either it is haplontic, either it is diplontic or haplodiplontic. Okay, so now coming to haplontic life cycle, we see that their gametophytic stage is very big as compared to the sporophytic stage, whereas in diplontic we have the sporophytic stage as quite large than the gametophytic stage is very small over here, and there is a kind of intermediate matter is happening in the haplodiplontic type of the plants. Now coming to the haplontic types of the plants, here the sporophytic generation is represented only by the one celled zygote. Okay, and there is no free living sporophyte which is there. The meiosis in the zygote is the result of the haploid formation. So there is a haploid formation that you find here, and then after this haploid spores, they will undergo mitotic divisions, and they will form the gametophyte. Okay, so they are forming the gametophyte, and the photosynthetic phase is such plant in the free living gametophyte. This kind of life cycle is termed as haplontic, and it is seen in algae and all those things. Then coming to the diplontic life cycle, so we can find it in angiosperms, gymnosperms and all those multicellulate. So in this is other extreme actually. So here what is happening, the gametophyte is represented by single to few celled haploid gametophyte. So they may be few celled gametophyte may be present, and which is undergoing the gametogenesis. Okay, now the other is in the bryophytes or the pteridophytes. What we find is the haplodiplontic stage. So in the haplodiplontic stage, what happens is it is intermediate. Both phases are multicellular, however they differ in their dominant phase. So a dominant independent photosynthetic thalloid or erect phase is represented by a haploid gametophyte, and it alternates with short-lived multicellular sporophyte. So there is a gametophyte, and then it moves to a sporophyte, again to a gametophyte. So we said that there is an intermediate phase, or there is a phase interconnected which is there. So they go into sporophyte and then gametophyte, again to sporophyte and gametophyte. That is how it is occurring in all the bryophytes. Okay, so these are the alterations of generations that is there. Thank you.